Presenting deals to managers, getting feedback, and gaining executive sponsorship is a key aspect of the sales cycle. Too often, time is lost drawing the account map on the whiteboard or building endless PowerPoint presentations. Lucidchart allows you to easily show your account maps in a presentation-style format. Here's how. Begin by outlining the presentation using our Slides feature. To access this feature, click on the Present icon. It's the one with the play button inside. The dock will expand and give you the options to create a new slide. Click on the Add Slide button, and a slide will appear on the canvas. Move the slide to the desired location by clicking the number of the slide and dragging it. You can resize the slide by selecting any of the three corners and dragging them to the desired size. Continue adding slides to the canvas to build a presentation for your account map. You can easily reorder the slides by dragging the thumbnails and can insert a new slide before or after or delete a slide by right-clicking. After you've built your slide presentation, click Present in the bottom right corner. This will begin your slide presentation. Navigate through the presentation using the arrow keys, and when you're done with the presentation, press Escape to leave presentation mode.